bakit parang baliktad yung reaksyon ni BBM? Nung nag-negative siya sa ratings coming from Pulse Asia, which is -3, tinatawadan lang niya. Does that mean na walang kwenta lang sa kanya sinasabi ng mga tao or yung mga survey? Tingnan nyo to.
Sir, according to the latest Pulse Asia survey, your trust rating is significantly lower than that of Vice President Sara Duterte and former President Duterte. And the previous surveys also showed a pattern of decline in your ratings. Can we get a
Wait, what survey?
Pulse Asia, sir.
Pulse?
Yes.
Uh,
Can we get your comment on that?
Madami pang survey, just don't base it on one.
Sir, follow-up lot. How do you plan to arrest yung decline in your surveys?
Well, again, let's look at other surveys before we act. Know your source. That's always a imperfect information makes you make imperfect decisions. The more perfect your information, the more perfect your decision will be. That is one source of information, and you have to understand where it's.
Yung survey is parang nire-rate ng mga taong bayan. Regardless kung 1,000 tao lang yun, 2,000. At least you have a little bit of a idea kung masaya pa ba yung mga tao sa'yo or hindi. Maganda ba yung mga project mo or hindi. It should have been parang alarming sa iyo if -3% ka, kasi ang baba nun, or kahit magbaba lang yung ratings mo, let's say from 50% to 40% or 45%, that means that you did something that they don't like. It could have been yung sasabihin niya just to regain the trust of the people. Sana encourage niya or try to motivate the people, encourage the people to sa mga sagot niya, pero parang walang nangyari. Parang feeling ko parang wala akong pakialam. I'm the president, I am the president. You know, I mean, again, yun lang yung feeling ko. Let me know what you guys think. If that's how he answered, kasi nakita ko kasi yung answer niya yung sa October 2024 na survey. Sabi niya na, I mean, he was like around 45% maybe. Sabi niya, naintindihan ko yung survey and magtatrabaho pa ako ng maayos. Parang baliktad. Dapat pag bumaba yung survey mo, dapat dun ka magsabi ng encouragement for the people, getting the trust back, right? Anyway, let me know what you guys think. But for me, again, that's my opinion. For now, cheers. Bye.